Winning a woman over and getting her to think of you is not always easy, and often requires a bit of creative thinking. Here are 10 phrases you can use to win a woman over and make her think of you. Stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any information, and subscribe to the channel. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will learn 10 phrases to conquer a woman and make her think of you. 1. I really admire your strength. Letting a woman know that you admire her strength and qualities is a great way to win her over and make her think of you. This phrase can help show her that you see her for who she is and appreciate her for her worth. 2. I think she's beautiful. This phrase is a great way to make a woman feel special and appreciated. Telling her that you think she is beautiful can help boost her confidence and make her feel more attractive. 3. I am so lucky to have you in my life. This phrase can help make a woman feel special and valued. Letting her know that you are lucky to have her in your life can help show her how much you care about her and make her feel appreciated. 4. You make me want to be a better man. This phrase can help show a woman that she has a positive influence on you and that she inspires you to be a better person. It can help make her feel special and appreciated. 5. I love spending time with you. This phrase can help make a woman feel valued and appreciated. Letting her know that you love spending time with her can help show her that she is important to you and make her feel wanted. 6. I appreciate you. This phrase can help show a woman that you value her and respect her for who she is. It can help make her feel appreciated and special. 7. I hear you. Letting a woman know that you are listening to her can be a great way to make her feel valued and respected. This phrase can help show her that you care about what she has to say and that you value her opinion. Before you go to the next topic, leave a like. And then, did you? Then let's move on to the next topic. 8. I am here for you. This phrase can help show a woman that you are available to support her and that you are there for her when she needs help. It can help make her feel safe and secure. 9. You make me so happy. This phrase can help show a woman that she brings joy and happiness into her life. It can help make her feel special and appreciated. 10. I am grateful for you. This phrase can help show a woman that you are grateful for her presence in your life. It can help make her feel valued and appreciated. Using these phrases can be a great way to win a woman over and make her think of you. Letting her know that you appreciate and value her can be a great way to make her feel wanted and special. We have come to the end of another video. If this video has helped you in any way, comment below. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day. Leave your like and see you in the next video.